this video, I discuss about basic integration. So, basic integrations of formula. So, gamitan natin siya kan. So, basic integration. So, basic integration. So, ako example. Number 1. Integral of 6x square root of 3 raised to 2 plus 5 dx. So ato ra siyang gamitan og ang atong u is 3 squared plus 5 mo na tong u. Tapos ato ang pangitan natong du. So ang atong du is equal to 6x 6x dx. Tapos integral of u 1/2 du. So atong kuan is u to 3/2 over 3/2 equals to 2 over 3 u to 3/2 is equal to 2/3. Tapos the quantity of 3x squared plus 5 is equal to 3x squared plus c. So another example, integral of cos x dx over square root of 1 plus sin x. So answer is 2 dt is equal to 2t equals to 2 square root of 1 plus sin, copy na lang nato, 1 plus sin x. So atong t is 1 plus sin x. Mo na tong t, 1 plus sin x. Tapos equals na nato, equals to 2 square root of 1 plus sin x plus c. So may nalaan na siya.